Most traders believe their biggest opponent is the market, but the real battle happens in their own mind. Charts don't decide whether a trader wins or loses, emotions do. Fear, greed, hesitation, and overconfidence quietly shape decisions long before the buy or sell button is clicked. This inner battlefield is where most traders are defeated. A solid strategy can collapse the moment fear creeps in and convinces someone to close a trade too early. A winning streak can dissolve into disaster when greed whispers, "Just one more lot." Even hesitation, a tiny pause caused by self-doubt, can mean missing the perfect entry. The truth is, the market is neutral. It doesn't care about traders' hopes or emotions. Success belongs to those who learn to master themselves before they attempt to master the charts. Until a trader wins the battle within, money will always slip away, no matter how strong their strategy looks on paper. Every trader fears losing money, but for some, that fear grows so strong it paralyzes their decision-making. They hesitate on clear setups, second-guess their analysis, and often enter too late after most of the move is gone. Ironically, the very act of trying to avoid loss often guarantees it. Fear also pushes traders into bad habits. They move stop losses further away, close trades too early, or avoid taking trades altogether. Over time, this creates inconsistency, which is deadlier than any losing streak. The market doesn't reward fear, it rewards calculated risk. Losses are not signs of failure, they are the cost of doing business. Until a trader accepts this truth, fear will continue to shadow every decision, making consistent growth impossible. If fear makes traders hesitate, greed pushes them to overreach. After a string of wins, many traders believe they're unstoppable. They start increasing lot sizes recklessly, stacking trades, and ignoring risk rules. Each trade becomes less about strategy and more about chasing the next adrenaline rush. Greed convinces traders that one big win can change everything, that doubling the account in a day is worth the risk. But this mindset blinds them to danger. The same leverage that multiplies profits can erase entire accounts in seconds. The truth is, trading isn't about how much you can make in a day, it's about how much you can keep over time. Those who let greed take the wheel eventually crash, not because the market was cruel, but because they traded with hunger instead of discipline. A few lucky wins can change the way a trader sees themselves. Suddenly, they believe they've cracked the code, that they've outsmarted the market. Rules start to feel unnecessary, risk limits feel too small, and caution gets thrown aside. Overconfidence is dangerous because it feels empowering. It makes traders believe they're in control when, in reality, they're walking blindfolded into risk. They hold trades longer than they should, ignore stop losses, and even double down when positions go against them. But the market has a way of humbling the arrogant. One sharp reversal, one unexpected news event, and weeks of gains vanish in minutes. True professionals know this confidence should come from discipline, not ego. Those who ignore this lesson will keep learning the hard way, paying for their arrogance with their accounts. Trading is an emotional roller coaster. One day a trader feels unstoppable after a win, the next day they're crushed by a loss. This constant swing between hope and despair creates emotional whiplash, leaving them drained and inconsistent. When emotions run the show, trading becomes chaotic. A hopeful trader chases unrealistic gains, while a despairing one gives up too soon, or worse, revenge trades to numb the pain. Over time, this back-and-forth cycle breaks their confidence more than the market ever could. The truth is, the strongest traders aren't those who avoid emotions, they're the ones who control them. They know how to stay calm in profits and composed in losses. By mastering their emotional state, they break free from the destructive cycle that traps so many. The market doesn't decide who succeeds, psychology does. Fear, greed, overconfidence, impatience, and emotional swings silently break more traders than bad strategies ever will. These battles happen in the mind long before they show up on a chart. To win, traders must first master themselves. That means embracing discipline, accepting losses as part of the process, and treating trading like a skill to be refined, not an emotional gamble. Psychology isn't just a factor in trading, it is the foundation. Because in the end, money doesn't control traders. Mind over money always decides who wins and who fails. That completes Mind Over Money, how psychology breaks more traders than the market.